Sintex KleanKit designed for 1000 liters tank cleaning. If 5000 liters tank is to be cleaned, that means 5 kits will be consumed. Let me now take you through the easy cleaning process, step by step. Draining of the tank. First of all, keep the tank at minimal levels. Is too bad. Leave about 25 liters in the tank for inner wash. Stir the water and remove it immediately to clear off the sediment and dirt settled in the tank. Make sure that you drain it completely. Tapping externally and internally, remove and release the deposits formed on the inner wall and bottom of the tank. Tap on the outside as well as inside with the hammer so that dirt layer crumbles and falls. Remove the silt out of the tank, then rinse the tank again with water. Sometimes there may be hard scales sticking to the wall and bottom. This needs to be removed or dissolved with the help of Sintex Tank Cleaning Solution number 1, provided in cleaning kit to be dissolved in 10 liters of water. Splash the Sintex Tank Cleaning Solution number 1 on the surface of the wall and bottom. Wait for about 15 to 20 minutes to react and then remove the same with either buffing wheel or scrubber, looking at the quantum of scale on the wall and bottom. Again, add water to clean the wall and bottom and then drain. Use of Solution 2. Clean the tank with Sintex Tank Cleaning Solution number 2 provided in cleaning kit and scrub it down to be dissolved in 5 liters of water. Clean with fresh water till the tank is clean and free of detergent. You may at this stage also clean the outer surface of tank with same solution. And if you observe any scaling on outer surface, Sintex Tank Cleaning Solution number 1 can be used. Use of Solution 3. Sintex Tank Cleaning Solution number 3 is being popularly used as disinfectant to be dissolved in 3.5 liters of water. Use as recommended dosage and spread or splash on complete inner surface of the tank and keep it for about 20 minutes. Clean and rinse the tank with fresh water and mop the tank. Your Sintex tank is now completely clean. All you need to do is refill it with fresh water and start using it again. Continue to enjoy a healthy life.